Hello, friends. On Sunday morning, we all think, what's special on Sunday breakfast? It's chole masala. Today, we will learn how to make easy chole masala curry. Kabuli chana is a good in protein. Add protein in your diet, less of carbohydrates. So, I am a testimony that I lost a good weight. So, add protein in your diet. Let's see the preparation. Now, wash your Kabuli chana. I have soaked all the night and wash after that. And beside you can see a tea powder of 1 tablespoon and tie like a pot and put in this cooker. And let's make for 4 whistles. You all might doubt why this tea powder. Tea powder it gives a aroma to the curry. Hi friends, I'm back. Now see that I have put the 4 glasses of water into it and I put the tea powder also into that as a bag. So please make it for 4 whistles so that the chickpeas can cook very soft. Hi friends, now I'm going to add mustard oil. Why mustard oil? Basically chole masala is Punjabi dish. So due to the climatic condition and their nature and their habit, so Punjabis use mustard oil in every recipe. So mustard oil, it gives a very good taste and an aroma to the dish, and also it gives a good body heat who people who are staying in the cold climates. Now we'll add whole garam masala. If you prefer to cook with the other oils, that's your choice, but I want it a very authentic taste. I'm making with the mustard oil. If you are cooking with the mustard oil, let the oil cook very heated because it gives a different aroma, so you may not like that aroma. So once it get very hot, then add the whole garam masala. I'm adding the whole garam masala. Be careful. Now we're going to add the onion and green chili paste. So I have taken 2 whole big onions and 4 chilies. According to your taste, add your green chilies. So let the oil come out. Stir it until the oil comes out. Now we'll add the 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and we will stir it until the ginger garlic paste cooks with the masala. See friends, now the oil has come out after the cooking the ginger garlic paste and onion paste. Now we'll add the tomato puree. Tomato puree, I have taken 5 tomatoes, larger size. I want a good gravy for the puri or roti. Now we will stir it accordingly. Now we will add the salt. Please add your salt according to your taste. Next come the haldi, turmeric. Now coriander powder, jeera powder, red chili powder. As per your taste, you can add whatever, how much you want it. Now stir it until the oil comes out. Now let's see what happened to our choles, how far it is cooked. Wow, look at the color. The tea powder color has got a black water. Now I am adding the black decoction water, the beans which we cooked in the cooker. Why this water? So it gives a nice flavor of the tea decoction. So you'll enjoy the aroma while you enjoying it. So don't waste this water. Now see the soft texture of the upper layer. Now add the chole masala. Your wish. I got the Everest chole masala, 1 tablespoon, and stir accordingly. Now we will add 1 more tablespoon of garam masala powder. Then let cook for some more time, and then we will add the coriander and we will off the stove. Hi friends, now see the curry, the consistency, the oil, and I can feel the aroma. When you cook, you will know that. So now we have come up to the end of this session. Now we'll add the coriander. Add more coriander, it gives a nice flavor to it. Yeah. Now gently stir it. Now we're going to add a lovely cube of butter. A butter which never ends with a Punjabi dish. And the flavor is amazing. It melts on your mouth. So make a Sunday with a family. Enjoy with your family. Sit and enjoy the meal. Happy Sunday. Bye. And now don't forget to subscribe our channel. Like it, comment it. We will learn it. Good day. Bye.